The next time the students entered, the magic class was more difficult. In front of the children was an
Respect means we listen and care. We must care for each other.
Ambition means we believe in our success. We know we can do this.
Courage means we try, even when we are afraid.
They climbed onto the invisible bridge, holding each other's hands, encouraging one another.
Every kind word they said, every courageous step they took, slowly made the bridge appear.
It's okay, Omar. Just look at us.
I can't, Sarah. It's too far down.
We've got you.
Got you.
When Omar hesitated, his friends encouraged him, reminding him he was not alone.
We are with you, Omar.
Just one more step at a time.
We've got you. Just hold on. We'll get across this together.
At the end of the bridge, a golden door appeared with a message. Persistence opens every door. Never give up.
Though they tried pushing and searching for locks, the golden door remained an impassable barrier, refusing to open.
The team tried many ideas. None of them worked. Hours passed. They refused to give up.
Let's sing together. Maybe unity is the key. They say, stand on.
And slowly, the golden door opened.
To the light, together strong with all our might.
They clapped and laughed, proud of their teamwork.
We did it! Yes, we made it. We did it together.